burgers, on the other hand, I have made quite a few as well. Monster burgers, fancy burgers, premium burgers. And to be honest, burgers is just awesome. But today I'm going to share the burger that changed my life forever. And it's easy. So let's do it.
Dog, I can't do this anymore, mate. I can't do this no more, dog. Like, we're eating chips, dog. For dinner. You want something nice?
What do you mean?
Like, a jerk burger. You ever had a jerk burger before?
Hell no.
You want a jerk burger?
Why the hell not?
Alright, people. We're feeling for something nice.
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Yo, welcome people, we don't know say Yaadman Etan, aka Chef Bwoi Yaadie. And right now, I'm going to use some Jamaican spice to make something nice. Alright, so what we're doing here, we're going to make some jerk burgers. Alright, so the first things first, we need to season these burgers. Jerk rub with dry rub, you see me? Yeah man. Season it up well, nice. Massage that meat. Alright? And look at that people. The regular Jamaican disclaimer. Just because you don't like how I jerk burgers, don't mean it's going to the same way how your mother or your granny jerk burgers. If we're jerking, we have to use pimento, you know. You see me I say? As you can see here in the mortar and pestle, we done grind up some pimento powder, you see me? So you take some of this. Yeah man, and you rub both sides of the burger with the pimento. You can't have jerk without pimento. Alright. So look here, alright now, because the burgers have been defrosted and I'm getting the seasoning in them, I want to put them in the freezer until they're ready for the grill so they don't break up on the grill, alright? So I'm just going to put these in the freezer for the time being. And we're going to start on the grill. So right now I'm just charring some of this wood.
Why you thinking?
Why? And remember, you know, you can't make anything jerk without smoke. And we're going to put the burgers on the grill. Come in. See it here, people. We season the burgers. Jerk season and pimento. We're ready for the smoke. So of course, when you jerk, we're doing this on low temperatures, alright? So I'm going to turn down the grill. Make sure so we get nice proper smoke action. Yes, man. Hear that? Hear that? Ooh. While these are smoking on low temperatures, I need to go back inside and hurry up and sort out some other things for the burger. We're going to be making burgers with some mushrooms, alright? Look here, another Jamaican disclaimer. The mushrooms have been washed. Just because they never see me wash it on camera, no means that I never wash. Alright, so I saw this little thing online about how to make mushrooms extra nice. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually going to boil them. Put on a burner. Put in a little bit of salt. Hit that. Alright, so as I said, I make this extra nice, right? I'm going to make some guacamole out of these pears. Alright, Jamaicans call these pears. Americans may know this as avocado, you see me? I shake this one a couple times, the seed ready. We now say this ready. Alright? Watch this there. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch it. Yeah, man. All the way through. Oh, you mean, man? Boom, bam. I'm not even offer do nothing extra for take out the seed. Come and know say this ready. See that, bro? You ever see one pear like this yet? Oh! Of course, what is guacamole without onion? Alright. Yes, man, get some lemon juice on that. Some salt. Alright. And the guacamole is finished. Upon that. So we're going to use this as a spread. Woo! So see the people. Oh! Yeah man. The pimento you can do to the effect what the pimentos had on these, but look here people. I have some special jerk sauce right here, alright? And we are going to baste these burgers. What I use to make this jerk sauce, I use a mix of hot and spicy and mild jerk sauce, jerk seasoning, jerk marinade. I also use some Caribbean ketchup, some Jamaican ketchup. If you know, you know that the ketchup is not like Heinz. It's not like American ketchup, you see me? And of course some water, alright? That is all I needed. And these burgers are damn near done. So you know what that means? It is time to put the cheese. And for the cheese, I'm using Swiss. Look at that. You know what I forgot now? I forgot our side dish. I put some corn up here to make them go on roast. You see me? Come on, also, I'm not going on the things them wash, right? Yeah, man. Corn number 1. And corn number 2. But then go and catch some heat, you see me? At that. Alright, the burger them done. And so the burger, ooh, look at that Swiss. Oh, look at that. Everything reminds me of you. Ooh. And give the corn a little bit of, you know? Let them go and do them thing. Right now the burgers have been done. So people, look here now. We have some nice whole wheat multi-grain buns. Alright? Healthy thing there. Because at the end of the day, people always saying that burgers are so unhealthy. Whatever you get at from whatever restaurant, does it mean I say? Hey, look on that. Guacamole. Look over here, so. Mushrooms. People. What about this unhealthy? You see me? What about this unhealthy? We're just going to toast these buns right now and then assemble the burger. This is the first time that I'm boiling mushrooms. And this, I boil out, I just water, salt and mushrooms, and it created its own broth, and I boil all the water out of it. The magic about mushrooms is that mushrooms cannot be overcooked. And let me tell you this, when you boil mushrooms, it intensifies the flavor so much. Look. Dog. Oh my God. That's the best mushroom I've ever had in my life. Alright, so looking at people, I'm just going to take a little bit of onion. And some, not a lot, just a little bit of onion. You see me? Come over here, so. Bam, in the pot. Turn on the burner. You see me? Look at oil. You understand me I say? Just a little bit of oil. We're putting these mushrooms right into that. We're going to stir fry these up a little bit. Look at that. Come on, them ready, man. Come on, them ready. We take a corn and bust in a two. Bam. Here comes the assembly. What you mean, man? The mushroom, the jerk burger with the Swiss cheese, the guacamole we make, the corn, and the toasted buns. And look at this is multi-grain buns, you know. You see me I say? This is pure health right here, so you know. Where I get this from? Which fast food place I get this from? Jaja. People, I'm confident this is the best burger I've ever made. You see me? So, guess what this is like. Alright, now Noah and I are here for the taste testing. Alright? I'm pull off this and give my lock some space. Alright. So what you say now? You excited for this? Alright, there we go. So
Definitely.
as a matter of fact, let's start off light first. I could try the corn. Alright, ready? Cheers, my bro. Cheers. Alright, try the corn. Ooh. You taste that smoked flavor on the corn?
Yeah.
Oh my lord. This is some good ass corn.
Bro, all you did was stick it on the grill.
All I did was stick it on the grill for it to get smoke. Alright, Noah, you ready for this?
Oh, for the what do you call it? The moment we've been waiting for.
The main event.
The main event. There we go.
All right.
I couldn't think of the damn word.
So ready? Cheers, my friend. Cheers.
Always, man. So
All right.
Wait. Hold on.
Oh.
Dear God, thank you for providing us with the ingredients to make this precious meal. Continue to guide us. Continue to protect us and watch over us. Amen.
Amen. All right. Cheers.
Yeah, bro. And always. Mm-hmm.
5 minutes later.
Right up. I'm gonna tell you something right now. I might have to contemplate my entire life now. No joke.
That's a good ass bro. Yo.
That's the only thing that I'm at a loss for words. Like, I'm not even joking.
That's a great burger.
I'm literally contemplating my life. I've said it once before, and I'll say it again. I don't need weed.
Listen, bro. It doesn't need Chef Bwoi Yaadie's cooking. Yo, people. Honestly, this surpassed my expectations. If I'm being honest with you. I said I wanted something nice and I more than deliver. People them, as me say, Jamaican spice for me something nice. I don't know, say Yaadman Etan, aka Chef Bwoi Yaadie. Yo, this bad.
Protect this knowledge with all your might.
This is great. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, bro. And I'll even say this on camera right now. I cannot thank you enough for having me be a part of this, bro.
Of course. This is I blew away my own expectations.
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah. Definitely.
People that make sure to say like, share, and subscribe. Try this recipe for yourself. You see me? I'm sleeping good tonight. We're out.